Oh! Daily one more to Korea. I'm Danny. Okay, today, this guy will be my first unboxing playlist. Okay, so this is a Zapper because recently I have a lot of flies in my house, so I decided to buy it to kill them up. Okay, let's open it. When you open it, just one long box. I believe they give me a 2 free replacement lights, because it's too light inside, but they give me 2 extra lights, 1 and 2. So for a while I don't have to change the bulbs. Okay, all right, so inside, let's see. Oh, it's big. Hello. Okay. All right, let's see. And this, when I was young, I played a lot. Feels like comfortable, like I'm like in my heaven. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's open up. Okay, see you later. Okay. And there's some instructions. Let me see. Oh, it's pretty hard to set up. Plug in. And step 2. Screwdriver with any what? Touch inner high voltage for 30 seconds or 1 minute. You look at it. It's pretty instruction. Easy, okay? And okay, usually I don't look at it, so I install it, I check myself. That's what it is. Okay, all right, this is Zapper. So when you plug it and turn it on, it's kind of like blue lights, right? And when the flies go inside, they got electric shock, right? So let's put it in my kitchen. So how it works? If it really works good, you could try too. Cause so one of my co-workers told me he got exactly same this and he got good result. So let's get in. All right, I just plug it in. Let's turn it on. Are you ready? Oh, wow. It's blue lights. Oh, it looks blue lights on the screen, but actually it's a purple colors. Yeah, close to purple colors. I like the lights. Maybe I could use in my room, like move the lights. Right? So after it catches a lot of flies, on the bottom there's like things, plates like this. You could take it out and you could throw away the flies, mosquitoes or the flies, and you could put it inside again. It's really simple, and well, I had to use it first, but I'm not sure it's really good result too, but my friend recommended me, so let me try first. Okay, all right, so just one fly fell down and one fly is stuck inside. They don't move, and one fly, in Spanish, Santa Maria Moreto. Oh wow. Oh. Okay, it works. Very nice. I gotta kill them all.